Here's what's cooking in Shail's Kitchen today. Fried fish head. So check this out. I got this nice fish head here. It's like 2 pounds. I got it for $2 at Northwest Seafood Market. And I was thinking, you know, maybe some fish broth would be nice. But now I'm thinking something different. I cut my fish into 2 equal pieces. And I think some of you probably already guessed what I'm going to do with this. Some nice fried fish head. That's going to be delicious. I have a nice seafood blend here with some good flavors in it, so I think I'll just use this. It's got salt, mustard, paprika, thyme, basil, ginger, lemon powder, and some other spices. So I think this would be nice. I'm just going to do a blend instead of doing individual seasonings. And so I'm just going to sprinkle this all over the fish. I have a nice large pot here that I'm going to fill with a couple inches of oil. I'm going to heat this up on medium-high heat. I'm going to use some coconut flour for my dredging. And this is just the coconut flour, and I sprinkle some of the same seafood seasoning on there. So I'm just going to mix all of this together. And this is what I'm going to dredge the fish in before I put it in the pot to fry. While my oil is heating up, I'm going to dredge my fish head into the coconut flour mix. You want to make sure that it's well coated all over. And then I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes while the oil is heating up. And so we get a nice crust on the fish. And don't forget to get the side as well. Get that end there. And just give it a little shake. And then do the other one. Get that ready. Here's a trick I like to use to test my oil. I just take a long wooden spoon, stick it right in the middle, the end of the spoon. And if you see there, you see those bubbles are forming around the edge of the spoon. So that means my oil is ready. This has been about 10 minutes heating up on medium-high. And now it's time to put our fish in the hot oil. And this is a part that you want to be very, very careful while you're doing it, because remember, you're dealing with hot oil. You don't want to burn yourself. So just be very careful, and you're going to put the fish in with the skin side down, and then the other piece right next to it. I'm giving it about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to check it. Check the fish at 3 minutes, and I think it needed a couple more minutes, so now I'm going to check it again. And remember, this is a point where you want to be very careful as well when you're turning anything with hot oil. So I just want to look at the bottom of it. That looks really nice. So I'm going to flip both pieces of fish. That looks beautiful. So I think, again, I'm going to give this 3 minutes and check it. Paper towels to absorb any extra oil. And this is our Saturday night fish head fry. And you know I have to give this a try, so see this little part here where the fin is? This is one of my favorite pieces. So I'm just gonna get some of that fish off with the crispy skin. Oh my goodness. That is delightful. still tasting. Now from the other side. Let's see how this looks. We have that nice crunch on the skin. I'm just going to pull this off with my fingers. A nice tender flesh. Oh my goodness.